Today I'm gonna be giving you this simple, easy, everyday-ish fall look. I'm only using like 2-3 eyeshadows, and not even that. And it's a nude lip. It's extremely easy. So if you want to see this, I'm gonna start by priming my face with these 2 primers.
If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya.
This primer, I only put it in my T-zone, like where I'm mostly oily at. So my eyebrows first, I always start my eyebrows first, and I use the Anastasia dipbrow with the angle brush and a spoolie. And the color I use is dark brown.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda.
I just conceal my eyebrows with the LA Pro Concealer in the color Toast.
You should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up.
And then I just use a sponge. It's just a cheap little sponge.
Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up.
Okay, and then next, I just use that same concealer, or I use a lighter one, which I use Cool Tan, and I just put that on my eyelids to prime my eyelids. And then I used Real Technique Beauty Blender and blend it out.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in.
And then I take the True Complexion contour palette, and then I just use it as my transition shade. I use the Sculpt one as my transition shade, and I just take a fluffy brush. Next, I'm gonna get my Morphe 35W palette, and I'm gonna take, or for this look, I'm gonna take this color. This color, and I'm gonna just use another fluffy brush and just put that all over my eyelid.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda.
And that is it for the eyes, or for the eyeshadow. So next is just lashes. This is lashes. I don't know the name of these lashes. I got them from my friend, and I'm gonna leave her information in the description box. So these are the lashes. They're cute. So before that, use the They're Real by Benefit mascara, and I'm gonna use the Maybelline Big Eyes, the Falsies Big Eyes mascara. I already cut the lashes to fit my eyes. I always gotta cut my lashes because I have extremely small eyes, so I be having to cut off like a big chunk of the lash because my eyes are so small. But I go ahead and I put some duo lash glue on the thing, and I put the glue on the lash and just let it sit so it can get tacky while I do the rest of my lash.
Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball.
Just gonna take my Real Techniques foundation brush and just blend my foundation in.
Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN.
And next I'm gonna take my Real Techniques beauty blender, and I know it's ratchet, but baby, it works. So and it's damp. Gonna blend it in.
If you want BBM, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in.
I'm gonna take the same color that I used earlier to highlight.
OPN.
And I just mix those two together so it don't be so light for me. Too light for me. Since I blended all that, I'm gonna set my face with the Airspun loose face powder. I'm gonna use this little flat brush. I don't bake, I just let it sit for a little bit and then wipe it off. So I'm really just setting it, not baking like people do. Just press it in and just kind of wipe away.
The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN.
Next, I'm gonna go back into that black Radiance contour palette, and I'm gonna contour this with the contour. It's a contour brush by Real Techniques, and I know it ain't that much in here, but it's some. We're gonna get it. And I just put it all over forehead, side.
She's inappropriate, the way she's approaching us. I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. she's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up.
And then next, I'm gonna go into my L'Oreal Infallible Pomade, and I use this to set my whole face. I use fluffy brush powder techniques.
Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up.
Kinda had forgot about my lashes and that, which I usually always do. So I had to put more glue on the other one. So while that one is getting tacky, I'm gonna finish my face. At this point, I'm gonna use the MAC Fix Plus spray. I'm gonna spray my face. And also I'm gonna use just a black eyeliner to put on my waterline.
Request my chariot to get ya. The doors open. Take the high road and hop in.
And I'm gonna go back into my Morphe palette. And this little shimmer color right here, I'm gonna put that right in my tear duct.
Take the high road and hop in. Open up.
Baby, these lashes. So for highlight, I'm gonna use this Revlon. I can't even tell you what it say because it's like gone. It's going off of there. It's all messed up, but I use this little brush. And then for my lips, I usually just use some Beauty Supply Hair Store lip gloss and the NYX Butter Gloss. And just combine those two, or you can do lipstick. In fact,
the doors open. Take the high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up.
So I got my lash on, and I hate how the white glue shows. It says clear, but it's not clear, it's white. So I just get some black eyeliner and I just go on top of it.
Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors open. Take the high road and hop in. Open up.
All done. It's something simple, quick. If you don't really know how to do makeup, then this is something you can do because it's quick and easy. So I hope y'all liked the video. Comment, like, subscribe if you're new. You're not subscribed to me already, and comment down below like what kind of new videos y'all want to see from me, like what kind of makeup videos you want to see, any kind of video you want to see. Just comment down below or write me on social media, let me know, and I'll do it.